Meta Ray-Bans are undeniably sleek and futuristic, bringing cutting-edge technology right to your face. They combine style with innovation, offering features that feel straight out of a science fiction movie. But for all their impressive capabilities, there's one significant drawback that leaves users frustrated: the short battery life. With only about 3 hours of usage, these smart glasses often fall short of meeting the demands of a busy day. Whether you're using them for work, entertainment, or simply to stay connected, running out of battery halfway through the day can be a real inconvenience. Enter the Metaport, an accessory designed to solve this very problem. The Metaport is a small yet ingenious add-on that keeps your Meta Ray-Bans powered throughout the day. It's compact and practical, attaching seamlessly to the nose bridge of the glasses. This clever design incorporates a USB-C charging port, making it easy to connect the glasses to a power bank. A cable discreetly runs along the temple, ensuring the setup remains functional without getting in the way of your daily activities. With the Metaport, you no longer have to worry about your glasses dying on you when you need them most. But as with any innovative solution, the Metaport comes with its own set of trade-offs. While it effectively addresses the battery issue, it does alter the design of the Meta Ray-Bans. These glasses, known for their sleek and minimalist aesthetic, might lose some of their original appeal with the addition of the Metaport. For some users, this change in appearance is a small price to pay for extended battery life. After all, what good is cutting-edge technology if it can't keep up with you? For others, however, the design compromise might outweigh the benefits, as the glasses' stylish look is an important part of their appeal. Beyond the question of aesthetics, the Metaport also sparks a broader conversation about technology and design. It highlights the ongoing challenge of balancing form and function in modern gadgets. While we want devices that look great, we also need them to perform reliably. The Metaport serves as a reminder that innovation often requires compromise, and it's up to each individual to decide what matters most to them. In conclusion, the Metaport is an impressive and creative solution to the battery problem that has plagued Meta Ray-Ban users. It offers a way to extend the usability of these smart glasses, ensuring they can keep up with the demands of a full day. However, it also presents a personal choice. Are you willing to sacrifice a bit of style for the sake of function? Whether you prioritize aesthetics or performance, there's no denying that the Metaport is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with wearable technology. It's an exciting step forward, and it will be fascinating to see how users embrace this innovation.